First, install the Sheets to Social extension from the Google Workspace Marketplace. The link is in the description. Next, open a spreadsheet and click on the Extensions menu. You will find Sheets to Social installed there. Click on Publishing Doc and wait for the setup guide to help you get started. First, log into the Sheets to Social web application. Then connect at least one Instagram account before proceeding. Make sure it's an Instagram business account. Congrats, you're nearly there. The publishing doc will now open automatically along with a spreadsheet template for you to start adding your content. The first column has all your text content, the second one your media URLs, and the third has your preferred date and time, which you can write in plain English. Whenever you're ready, select your right Instagram account from the drop-down and hit the Schedule Posts button. Posts without a publishing date and time will be published immediately. The rest will be scheduled to publish at your preferred date and time. And that's it! You can now schedule hundreds of posts with a simple click with the help of Sheets to Social. Once a post is published, you will find its publishing status and the post's URL in the sheet whenever it's available.